Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. I really don't have a lot of time, so we are going to jump right into it. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal Oblong Polka Dots. Me llamo Kerr y en este canal hablamos de maquillaje, cuidado de piel y belleza. Entonces, si eso es algo que te gusta, has venido al lugar correcto. Lo siento, pero no me recuerda el intro. You can tell I'm a little bit rusty. Okay, so let's just go really quick, you guys. Today we are gonna try and do something a little bit basic, I think, because I don't have a lot of time. And I'm gonna try doing something basic using this colorful ass palette. It's a Scooby-Doo Creeps and Crawls 10 shade palette, this one. And I haven't used it yet, but I can tell you right away I'm gonna love it because I love Glamlite. There's a lot of purples and blues in here, and since today is Monday, let's not go too heavy. I think I'm gonna stick with this little corner right here. So we need a primer. Google eyes on my face and hit up my Twitter. Okay, so we're gonna go with the Mercier Caviar stick because I need something quick and easy for my shadow to adhere to. Just gonna pop that on there like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab a flat brush. Something like this right here. And oops, it's calling me at this hour. All right, so we're gonna go in with that lighter purple, which is right here. I'm gonna pop that on the lid using the flat brush. Just gonna throw that on just like that. All I'm doing is patting, by the way. Just pressing the brush into the pan, and I'm just doing some quick patting. Just like that. Really easy. A little bit more here. I prefer to do my eyes first because if there's any fallout, it's much easier to clean up when I don't have any other makeup on my face. Now, it's faster to do the face first because you don't have to really work around anything. You just slap on whatever you want to slap on, but I'd rather have an easier opportunity to clean up. So that's why we do it this way. Prefiero hacer mi maquillaje con ojos primero y la cara segundo, porque es muy fácil limpiar la cara cuando hacer los ojos primero. So that's why we're doing it that way. Okay, that's good. And then there's this other shade that's in here, so pretty right next to it, this deeper shade. I'm going to pop that on the outer corner. Same brush, el mismo. We're just going to press that in right there. We're not going all the way to the edge. We're going just short of the edge because, trust me, this makeup is going to migrate out to the edge throughout the day, and you don't want it to go too much further than where you placed it. Just going to press that on there like that. Look, guys, we're almost done. Wasn't that fast? And then this, a little bit more. Un poco más, un poquito más. Okay. Okay, no me gusta. Right up here. To the crease. Let's press that in a little bit. Okay. And then for the lid, I kind of like the way it looks now, but I still want to go in with the shimmer anyway, so we're going to use this one right here. I'm going to pop that all over the lid. Same brush. And we're just going to press that on. this side. All we're doing is pressing. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? Es muy fácil. Oh, sorry, lo siento. I'm not sick, but I think I'm allergic to something. So this palette is really easy to use. La paleta está muy fácil a usar para los ojos y hacer un look that is más rápido. You can make a look that's really quick and easy using this palette, but still quite impactful. You can see from my eyes that it's like pretty impactful. The only other thing is, I don't know why I just stuck this back in here. Have it. The only other thing is I'm going to take another brush and we're just going to go over the edge a little bit. And that's it. Just to blend it in. There. All right, so quickly, we're going to go in with our Milani Conceal and Perfect in number 4 Nectar under the eye, so we can cancel out some of the gray. Do the same thing for the melasma. I'm going to grab a sponge and we're just going to press that in right here. Same on this side. Then we're going to go in with our Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I have mine in this shade Caramel. And pop a little bit of this on right underneath. Here and here across the lip, and then we're going to do a little bit here also. And then we're going to take that same sponge and we're just going to work this around the face. And then vamos a usar un poco polvo. We're going to use a little powder to set all of this. Not a lot. I know my face is super shiny, but it's because I just used a treatment from Dr. Dennis Gross. So it's going to be pretty shiny most of the day. And I'm fine with that. And finish around the mouth. Alrededor a la boca. Y okay, bueno. And then for a powder, tenemos Rimmel Stay Matte. Es mi favorito. In 001 transparent. We're going to use a brush, a big old fluffy brush. We're just going to take that and work it around. Y no quiero polvo cerca de mis ojos porque el polvo makes my lines show more, las líneas. So I'm going to skip that altogether and just do the powder around it. Polvo cerca de los ojos, pero no en los ojos. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of blush from Black Radiance. It's my favorite one in Toasted Almond. It's this one right here. Let's grab a brush. We'll use this one. Just going to work that up here. I love this blush so much. It's so pretty. And I will go overboard with it and apologize for nothing because it is my favorite. Yeah, buddy. All right, and then we're gonna grab, let's see, let's grab this one. I got Love Drug from Urban Decay. Just gonna pop that in the lower lash line so we can tie in some of this purple. And then after that, we're gonna go in with our setting spray from Kryolan, and then we'll do some mascara. Actually, let's do the brows really quick. I'm gonna grab the Thick It Stick It from NYX. The brows are looking a little bit wild. Oh, I really need to clean these up, huh? I sure do. Got some little wayward hairs floating around. Let's grab this really quick and clean that up right quick. This one and that one. How about this side? Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. I really came on camera looking like this, didn't I? So sorry. Well, maybe it wasn't that bad, but certainly wasn't that good. Is that it? Is there another piece? I think that's good. Oh, one more. Okay, that's good. All right, now we're gonna go in with the Kryolan Fixing Spray. And then we're gonna go in with our Tower 28 mascara for the lower lash line. And then for the upper lash line, we are going to use our Fenty Hella Thick mascara. That's this one. You guys know how much I love this mascara. You don't need a lot of it because it is pretty thick. But it does also dry quickly, which is nice. You don't really get that a lot with like a heavier mascara where it also dries quickly, so I'm not really sure what the formula is or how they're able to do that, but they figured it out somehow because it doesn't dry up in the tube very quickly, which is nice. I mean, you guys know that I throw my mascara out frequently, but still. A little bit more here and there. Yeah, that's better. Hold on. See a little spot that I missed? Same here. That's better. Okay, that's it. I have no idea. I think I'll use this lip for now. I'll probably change it later. This is from Flower Beauty. It's number 115, Dahlia Desire. And just use a little bit. Okay. And that's it, you guys. Just a nice basic look. What do you think? I like it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.